Just I guess a personal productivity question for you, Andy. I guess day to day, week to week, how do you, I guess, keep yourself focused and move yourself progress forward on the
Yeah.
important things?
Right now, like I've actually been struggling. Like this week hasn't been too productive. I don't know if things haven't been productive because I just have like, I'm pretty sure if I take a step back, what I do, like my bare minimum, is probably most than what average people do. But at my peak, I'm probably doing like 3 to 4 times what like the average person does.
Mm.
Um, so I'm just trying to get to my peak at the moment. I think the reason why I'm struggling to is because I need to like take a break. I think that's something that's really important. Like literally just going on holiday for 3 or 4 days, and because of COVID, it's harder to travel. So that's something that I want to do before the year ends. Just go on like a 3 to 4 day break. But what I've seen that helps a lot is not using your phone, not you doing content. I think every time you watch YouTube, when you're on TikTok, you're just constantly getting stimulated. And when you're constantly stimulated, it becomes so hard to just get work done because now work
Mm.
becomes super boring if you're like constantly stimulated watching Netflix all day. So I try to do a content detox. Now that itself is already difficult. So when I really want to get a lot of things done, I make sure I don't touch my phone. I don't watch any content. When I don't feel like getting work done, I'll literally just go lie down and just like nap for 5, 10 minutes. And eventually I'll get bored of napping and I'm like, I might as well do work. Doing work is better than like napping. So that's sort of what usually works. And if you do that for 3 to 4 days and you really reset your sort of stimuli or like your level of like your tolerance for like stimulus and you just detox on everything, after 1 week, you're going to be like super duper productive. You're going to love doing work. You're going to be thrilled and excited to get work done. But that first week is tough.